How to clear browsing history automatically in Microsoft Edge. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go ahead and open up your Microsoft Edge and then go to the three lines on the top right beside your profile. Go to settings and then go to privacy search and services on the left side and then go to clear browsing data and go to choose what to clear every time you close the browser and then you can toggle on the browsing history. And now every time you close your Microsoft Edge, the browsing history will automatically be deleted. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.